Adsterra is a digital advertising network that offers various advertising solutions. CPM campaigns are one of the advertising solutions provided by Adsterra. The CPM rates can vary depending on factors such as the country, the type of traffic, and the niche of the website. Countries like the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom are known for potentially higher CPM rates. Other countries with potentially higher CPM rates include Australia, Germany, and France. Scandinavian countries like Sweden, Norway, and Denmark also tend to have higher CPM rates. Netherlands, Switzerland, and Singapore are among the countries known for higher CPM rates. Asian countries like Japan, South Korea, and the United Arab Emirates are also on the list. Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, and Israel are countries where higher CPM rates can be expected. New Zealand is another country known for potentially higher CPM rates.